In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit payment methods on Amazon. To get started, open your preferred web browser and search for Amazon. Once you see the official Amazon website in the results, click to open it. This will take you to the main Amazon homepage, where you can access your account settings and payment options. If Amazon prompts you to sign in, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you have more than one. Since payment settings are tied to a specific account, it's important to be in the right place before making any updates. After you're logged in, move your mouse to the top right corner of the page and hover over Account and Lists. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, click Account. This opens your account dashboard, where Amazon groups together important settings like orders, addresses, security, and payment preferences. Next, look for the box labeled Payment Options and click on it. This section is where Amazon stores the credit cards and debit cards linked to your account. If you've added multiple payment methods over time, you'll see them listed here in one place for easy management. Under the section called Your Saved Credit and Debit Cards, find the payment method you want to edit and click on it. This will expand the card details so you can view more information about that saved payment method. Take a moment here to confirm that you're selecting the correct card before making any changes. Once the card details panel is expanded, look to the right side and click the Edit button. This opens the editable settings for that payment method. Amazon typically allows you to update key details such as the expiration date, the name on the card, or the billing address connected to it. Click Edit again if needed to begin updating the information. Carefully enter the new details exactly as they appear on your card or billing records. Accuracy matters here because incorrect payment information can lead to failed transactions or checkout issues later on. When you've finished making your changes, click Save to finalize the updates. Amazon will then store the revised information for future purchases. It's a good idea to quickly review the saved details afterward to make sure everything was updated correctly. And that's it. You've successfully edited a payment method on Amazon. Keeping your payment details current can help prevent order delays and make checkout much smoother the next time you shop.